Hi, in this tutorial I will show you the print merge feature of CorelDRAW and why it's so useful to know about it and of course to use it. This can save you a lot of time and speed up your work on projects where you just have to change some information on the same design, like on invitations, on business cards, ID badges, and like you will see on this first example here on this gift voucher, we will first we will manually set the values that we need to change, and on a second example we will import a file with all the values and automatically generate the graphic. So on this first example, let's pretend we have to print 5 of these vouchers for 5 persons, and we will have to change the name, the value, and the voucher serial number. And for this we go to File, Print Merge, and create Load Print Merge. On Add Column, we will insert a column with a type of text, and we will name it full name. Another one for the value, and another one for the serial number. We select numeric, and here you have some numeric field options, like the format of the numbering. We 1, 2, 3 digits. The starting value, we will start from 1, and you can either continually increment the value for as many fields that you will insert, or you can set an ending value. Here I will select the continually increment value and add this column. Now we will have to add a new record. This is a new row on which we have to complete with the full name and the value, and the serial number, it's completed automatically. If I change my mind and maybe I want this to be a 2-digit number, I can go to Configure Columns, select the serial number column and edit it, and here I can change the format. I can save now, and you see the new format. As I said, we will need 5 rows for 5 persons, and I will complete these fields with some random names and values. Good. Now that we have all our rows completed, we click Finish, and this Print Merge window will pop up. Now we will have to insert these fields onto our document. So with the full name selected, we insert the selected field, and here we will have This basically is like a placeholder for all the values that we completed under that column. And I will replace this text with the placeholder, but I want to keep the text properties, so I will right click, hold, and drag over this placeholder and copy all the properties. And now I can delete this one and center this placeholder to the black rectangle. Here is very important to have the right alignment for the placeholder, because you might have get into some issues if you here, if for example, if I would have the alignment to the left, maybe the text will go into to the right, and it might go outside of this rectangle, or depending on where you have this placeholder, it might go outside of the graphic, and you don't want that. Next, the value field, and here I have the alignment set to the right for this one, so the text will go to the left, and will not overlap the $sign. And I will do the same. I will copy all the properties to that placeholder. Now I can delete this one and align it to the $sign. Here it's okay if this placeholder goes outside of the graphic, because I know that that my number will not go outside of this black rectangle, because I tested for the largest number that I have on the list. Next, we have the serial number. We insert this one as well, and copy the properties from this text, and here we will want the alignment to be to the left. Now that we have our fields inserted, we can either choose to merge to a new document, or to perform a print merge. First, let's see the merge to new document. This will create a new document with pages for each of our records. So we have the first record, the second one, third, fourth, and the fifth one. If you need, you can make changes if something went wrong. If everything's okay, you can either choose to save this document to a PDF, maybe, and send it to somebody else, or you can print it. But let's see how the perform a print merge works. Now I will have 5 pages for each individual voucher, and I don't want that, because it's a more efficient way to print them. under the print preview, you can go to imposition layout tool, and here you can add as many as you want on a page from these options here. So of course I cannot, it's not enough space to add on width, but I can go in height. So I think 4, it's okay. And if you want to, you can add a space between them. And you can also add crop marks or registration marks if you need. And we will have a page with 4 vouchers, and on the second page 1. And I can close the print preview option, hit apply, and print. On this second example, I will use this business card, and all the information we will import them from this file here that I've prepared with some random names and informations, and each column must have this a title that we will insert them later onto our document as a placeholder. So after we have this list prepared, you have to save this file as a CSV file. After, we go to Print Merge and choose Import File, and here we select the CSV file, and we open this the CSV file with our values. And as you can see, we have the column for the full name, the email column, phone number, and the position. And we hit finish. Same as on the first example, we have to insert them. I will copy the properties of the full name, and I will align this one to the left. The position, the address will stay the same for all of them, the phone number, for the email address, copy the properties. I can now add the domain of the email address, because here on my list I just have the name of the person. So on this placeholder I can type now. With all the fields inserted, I will check them again for alignment. That looks good, and I can either do a merge to new document, and this will create a new document with pages for each person, or I can also perform the print merge. So let's do that. Now I have pages for each business card, but of course I want to be more efficient, and I will go with the imposition layout tool, and again try to fit as many I can on one page. Let me zoom. You will see that the informations were added correctly. So this was the print merge feature. Thank you for watching, and have a good time working on your projects.